Deepak Shukla here again from Trade with Deepak. I think that's the name of my channel. And I want to walk you through just some more insights that I have as to TradingView. So I'm still learning, full disclosure. I haven't started trading or even paper trading, but I'm just getting to know the chart. So I want to just run through some of the things that I identify on the chart. So we've got what I have been affectionately told by my teacher Aaron is a bottom bounce here, where it bounces to the bottom. So this is a 5-minute lookup of the Apple chart, Nasdaq stock market, and this is what we're looking at right now in terms of the Friday 1st of November, our trades. And you can see that there's a bottom bounce here happening. And if you look across here, you'll see that it's in a sideways market, and this would be called potentially a consolidation breakout rather than continuous, I think, where the market consolidates and then the breakout would be up. You could arguably say that this is potentially, this is leg one, leg two if you were talking, but it wouldn't really be leg two, because this green bar isn't as ultimately distinct as that green bar when it comes to studying patterns within the chart. So what we're trying to identify is if there's anywhere that we can enter within the charts effectively. So I'm trying to figure that out and see. And I'm getting a bit more familiar now with how to fundamentally look at the chart and see if I can spot any patterns. So that was that pattern there. So then if we have a look at this, actually, we've got a consolidation breakout. Let me, make sure I get my naming terms correct with you guys. So this is a continuation breakout potentially rather than a consolidation. So continuation breakout, as you can see, we've got one red bar here. Sorry, we've got, if we look at this green bar and then look at the green bars before it, there isn't any ultimately in the last 4 or 5 bars something that would be stronger than this bar. So this would be a continuation breakout, and on that basis I would potentially enter here. So then if we follow the rule of 2 to 6 days or 8 to 20%, we can look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that'd be 6 days. And if we look at it from a percentage perspective, we'll see that if we enter there and then go up to there, we're looking at well, I say it's 2 to 6 days. It's not 2 to 6 days. I'm looking at a 5-minute chart, to be honest with you. So yeah, the rules wouldn't quite apply in the same. But yeah, as you can see, over 2 to 6 bars, there's definitely a move to be made there. So let's go over and jump into the actual chart here. Let's then, I think we can reset the view here, or we just double click the side, double click, and there you go. Okay, so I'm back in the chart now and looking at it, and you'll see now that we've got the continuous, I beg your pardon, we've got a bottom bounce here. We've got a consolidation, a continuation breakout there. Keep getting the consolidation and continuation, but the continuation is when it breaks out, and then you could potentially enter. There's one bar here, second bar there. You could enter potentially. That would go down, but then you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that would be where you could potentially exit. And if we look at the percentage move over that period, you would see that if we enter there. If we enter there, trying to make this work. If we enter from there and then the move there, let's say it's 3.7%, but it'd probably be more a little bit more than that, depending upon when we entered. I need to get more familiar with that chart, but that's another example of it. So again, as you can see here, we've got another continuation breakout here, because you can see if you look, probably we'd enter there, because it's the biggest green bar of the last several days, 1, 2, 3, 4, or even the biggest red bar. So if we enter just here, and then we take a look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll see that that's a 6% move. So it fulfills the rule of 8 to 20, between 8 to 20% or 2 to 6 days. So you could just do a move like that, and it's still a decent move depending upon where you enter. And a strong buying movement here, because it's pretty much been a candle that's been bought all the way up. So it's a good strong momentum candle, I think, or is it a Marubozu candle potentially? So yeah, there's some interesting notes there. So again, we see a consolidation breakout here. You can begin to just look at the chart intuitively and understand that that's there. And then if we have a look at a bottom bounce, you've got bottom bounces coming in here. You've got consolidation breakout here because it's sideways moving and there's nothing really here to read particularly. So these are some insights for you all into how to begin to analyze charts.